Hey guys, Stacey here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a glittery look using a Stilla liquid eyeliner and the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. So watch on and enjoy. Okay, so I've already applied my face and a skin colour sort of base shade all over my lid and upper eye area, so the rest of the shadow sits nicely and blends nicely. I'm going to at first take my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette and go in with the shade Nuna. It's like this one here, it's like this brownie shade. I'm going to use that for my crease area. So just windshield wiper motions. I'm actually going on my first ever Zoom date this afternoon, so I want to do something a bit fun and flirty, but nothing too over the top. I have no idea what it's going to be like dating someone through video chat. It'll probably be awkward because it's new, and I also worry that because I'm in the comfort of my own home that I'm gonna just let my freak flag fly too early and, I don't know, start singing and bopping or doing whatever. I'm going to next go in my crease area again with the shade Factory, which is a more I guess a metallic and darker brown. I just also get that little outer corner there a little bit, which I'm probably gonna have to go over again once I've done my lid shade, but we'll see, we'll figure it out. Next, I'm going to use this Stilla liquid eyeshadow. It is the shade Rose Gold Retro. Is that going to come up for you? No. You'll be able to find it. These are awesome. Oh, the colours are absolutely beautiful and they just go on super easily. Look at that, so pretty. They're really good if you want to do like a cut crease look because you don't need to put concealer on first. They just go over everything really strongly. So I'm taking that across most of my lid, not the very corner, because I'm conscious that I have the, was it Factory or I don't know, one of the Urban Decay shades in the corner, and probably need to go over it a little bit. Because this is wet, careful not to like open your eyes all the way up because you will get it everywhere. And now I'm just realizing I'm gonna have to sit here for a little bit with my eyes closed and still figure out how to entertain you all, so that's fun. Maybe I'll do my lip while we're waiting, just so you're not staring at me doing nothing. I'm again going to use Urban Decay. Again, I don't know if this is from a particular range of lipsticks, but it's a sheer red and the colour is Slow Burn. It's kind of like a more orangey red than a real like red, and because it's sheer, it's still like red without being too overly bold. Like it's a red that, I mean, you can wear any red in the daytime, there aren't really rules, but I find yeah, this one's just easier to wear. I'm going to put that. Cute. I can still feel that my lids are a bit wet, but whatever. That's my problem if I stuff this up. Just gonna take a bit more factory in there. That's alright. Not bad. Oh, I did not just say that. Cool. Loving it. Mascara. What do I do with mine? Thought this. I had my shadows out, my lipstick out, my brushes out. I was like, this is going to be the video where I'm organised. Found it. So again, Tarte Big Ego. It's just what I'm using at the moment. Do like. Would recommend. I don't see it as being massively different to the Lights Camera Lashes or Man Eater. I do find the wand is a lot like the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So if any of you are cautious wearing glitters during the day, because glitter, or I get glittery shades, metallic shades can that yeah, glitter and metallic shades I guess can be a bit extra, so people can see them as a nighttime sort of look. I think this one here is fine for day. I don't think it's overly dark and dramatic. Alright, I'm gonna have to, I'll clean that up off camera because we're done here. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see any other looks, just let me know in the comments and I'll try and figure something out for you. Bye.